Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my fried coconut curry rice. Guys, to say this meal is amazing is to be modest. I mean, this meal mad, like mad though. It a burst brain. So please stay tuned, and as usual, you enjoy every bit of it. And I like to also implore you guys to consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and drop a comment, like, and share. So, first off, I'll be chopping my ingredients. I mean, the ones that need chopping, of course. And first will be my garlic. After chopping that, I'll go ahead to chop the green onions, white onions, grate my coconut, then chop it just to reduce the size. Then, the last but not the least, my liver. No, not my liver. The liver I'll be using for this recipe. Now that that is out of the way, I'll go ahead to prep my rice, and for that, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter into a pot, then add about 5 tablespoons of sesame oil to it, add some onions, a tablespoon of garlic, then fry for 2 minutes on medium heat. I'll add a tablespoon of curry to this, then stir for 30 seconds. Then I'll go ahead to pour in my rice and stir fry it for 7 to 10 minutes until it's grainy, just like you see in this video. You know, just like this. Can you see how that looks? So I'll just go ahead to add my stock, my coconut milk, then some water. Oh, did I forget to mention that I'll be adding some seasoning powder, seasoning cube, and salt. So I'll just add a tablespoon of seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoning cube, and just half teaspoon of salt. Cover the pot and cook for 20 minutes, or at least till the rice is almost done. Just like I said, I won't get the rice properly cooked, like, done at this stage, since I have some frying to do much later. So let's get on. So this is 15 minutes later, and my rice is now the texture I wanted. So I'll just add a little bit of water, cover it, and cook till it's done. Just like here. It's dry and it's just like I want it. So I'll just go ahead to start my frying. So first I'll toast my coconut. I just toast it till it's almost like till it's golden brown. Yeah, golden brown. So once I've got it to that color, I'll just take it out and then prep my veggies. Anyways, you see it. So I've brought the pan back, and I didn't wash it, of course, because I still want all of that coconut flavor. So to the pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using salted butter for this. Then I'll add about 6 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add my chopped onions, then a tablespoon of garlic, and stir fry for 2 minutes because I want it to release all that aromatic flavor. You know what I mean, right? Now I'll add half part of my liver. I mean the one I'm using, of course. Before fry for a minute before proceeding to add the other half and fry for 3 minutes. This is because I just want it to have different texture. And once it has gotten the texture I want it, I'll proceed to add in my green onions, a tablespoon of roasted scotch bonnet pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of curry, then stir fry for a minute. So about a minute into the frying, I'll add some toasted coconuts, then continue to stir fry. It's looking sort of dry, so I'll add to it 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and fry for a minute before proceeding to pour in my rice. I don't like to pour everything at the same time. You understand what I mean, right? So anyways, once I've poured the rice, I'll go ahead to combine it thoroughly while also stir frying it. Guys, look at that. Look at that lushness. I mean, damn. Anyways, moving on. I'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, combine thoroughly, then add the rest of the toasted coconut and onions. I'll combine this thoroughly, then fry for 1 minute. The food is ready, guys. It's ready. Look at how grainy this is. Look at how sumptuous it looks. Look at how delicious it looks. I mean, Kai, I beg, give me some accolades in the comment section. You never know. The accolades could inspire some banging recipes. I beg, guys, try this out. Like, try it, really try it, and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. And you know the gist. You can find the list of ingredients used for this recipe at the description box below. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, drop a comment, and turn on your post notifications so as to be notified on our next amazing recipe. Oh wait, on our next banging recipe. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.